Withdrawing money from Cash App to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your funds. Step 2. Navigate to the balance. On the home screen, locate your Cash App balance displayed at the top of the screen. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Select Cash App. After tapping on your balance, look for the option labeled Cash App. This will allow you to transfer funds to your bank account. Step 4. Choose the amount. Enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw. You can either type in the amount or use the buttons provided to select a predefined amount. Step 5. Confirm transfer. Once you have selected the amount, tap Cash Out again. Choose your preferred transfer speed, standard or instant, and confirm the transaction. Your funds will be sent to your linked bank account. After completing these steps, your money should be on its way to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection or ensure your bank account is properly linked to your Cash App.